got there. Just keep breathing in there. So you want to loosen up the left ankle, loosen up the right ankle, left hip, right hip.
Oh, God.
Look at the curve on this neck here compared to the curve on yours, or even like the head being stacked over the shoulders. Yours is like going towards your collarbone. When I saw you sitting down just earlier when we first started talking, is I see
Like this is comfortable.
This is comfortable for you, right? So partially is, yes, the alignment's gonna be a huge help to you because that's gonna help build the foundation to your body. But a foundation can also go to crap if you don't do anything else outside of this, right? Because we need those muscles to get used to standing up straight, and we need to keep it that way. So just loosen.
Bruh. Bruh. Seeing stars a little bit. Nah, I'm good though. I don't know where that been at, but I needed that.
Left hip, right hip.
Oh, God. Trying to yank the skull out the skin, bro. Bro, everything just moved, bro.
I know, I could feel it.
Thank you, man.
All right,
I
man.
appreciate you.